Gotta get all this crap put away. Literally the hardest part about going on any sailing trip. How cute is this? I was able to fit so much food into this one little closet that we have. I bought like a cheap Amazon 3-level shelf, and then I put the non-slip surface that I buy right at Publix, and then I put everything on it. So I'm hoping that everything doesn't go like flying around the first couple of waves that we hit. It actually probably will though go flying around because the weather's not great, and so it might be a little bit rough out there, but we're gonna leave Clearwater on Saturday morning at like 6 a.m. and we're gonna go all the way to Venice and spend the night on the pier in Venice. So I'll definitely give you an update on how everything fared in my little storage closet. What are you working on in there?
Scuba tank secure. Can you pass me the other float?
Fender, the big one? sensor in for our forward-facing sonar. There's actually a plug you have to pull out of the bottom of the boat, and all the water splashes up. And then you stick the sensor in, and then we can see what's ahead of us, which is helpful because we draw 5 feet.
All right.
Getting everything put away. It's almost 6 o'clock. We're going to leave in a few minutes. Bye-bye, Clearwater. We won't see you for a while. Mahalo won't be back until around the end of June. How do you feel about our departure so far?
Okay. Put the sonar on so we can see how deep the channel is.
Cool.